All right, here's the place. Oh!
Nice. Hey, welcome to Fishing with Micah Grimm. We're out here. We've been watching Micah so much, and I want to tell you about some of our favorite videos. My favorite video, of course, is the musky fishing. The enthusiasm that brought was just outstanding. I loved it.
I like the cart video where he fishes under a fish with his fly rod and catches a huge craw.
So that's going to be right here where we're fishing today, so we're pretty excited about that. Maybe we'll get you a carp.
And my favorite was the one where he went upstream with a bullet and caught a bunch of fish, and then caught a bunch of massive bass after that. So close, almost 18 inches.
Yeah, so we're looking ready to go. I brought my Zebco 30 ZS3. It's 31 years old, and I also got Granddaddy's rod. It's actually their great granddaddy's rod, an old Johnson. So we're gonna try that, and we're just, you know what, we are meat eaters. We like to catch some fish and keep them. So we're looking to do some filleting today. So we're excited about that.
Thanks for tagging along. Let's see who catches the biggest fish. Who do you think it's going to be? Is it going to be me? Is it going to be Will? Is it going to be Luke? Or is it going to be Drew?
Probably Luke. Probably Luke. He's
All right.
a fisherman, man.
Well, let's go find out. All right, we're making a move. We're not catching any fish at this first place, so it's time for us to make a move and see if we can find them somewhere else. I didn't think about all the people for the 4th of July being around, so last night all of this stuff got fished out. So let's see what we can go find somewhere else. Hopefully we get something. See if our location change makes a difference. We weren't catching fish at the lake, so we decided to make a change and come over here to this waterfall. Dude, nice! All right. There you go.
Yeah!
Will's on board. Let's go check it out.
What is it? Holy smokes!
Hey, there you go. Some nice largemouth. Oh man, we got to get him in there. Look at that. Showing us how it's done. What? Oh yeah. Doesn't look, maybe, I'm thinking 11. Yeah, I'm thinking just short. Man, I didn't even hit play on my GoPro yet, and then here he's got another one. That's awesome. Looks like maybe I should go get my measuring board. Just keep it up here in case, you think?
Yeah.
All right. Will is putting the knockdown on us. That is awesome. All right. I like the idea of moving around. I want to see one of you guys get one down there. I mean, it's not very deep right here. If you were just going to commit, I mean, you can always walk along there. And there's Will with the fish.
Good boy.
Nice.
Yeah.
There you go. We got some acrobatics going on. Big old sloppy fish.
Yikes. You got all tangled up in there.
There you go.
Well,
That's a little better looking, ain't it?
it's a little better. There we go.
All right. Not bad, not bad. Man, that looks good. All right, how big is he? Oh, it's gonna be like an 11.5, isn't it? Oh man.
No.
Just short.
Oh man.
Just short.
Yeah, so close.
right.
Yeah, buddy.
That makes me feel better. Oh, don't need that anyway. Now we're talking.
We caught this fish and he was right at the end of this lily pad. He just got whipped.
That's a healthy little guy.
Yeah.
He's solid. He's been eating good for his size.
Yeah, that's a nice
Thick
one.
shoulders. I like it. Good job. Back to your homeland, little fish.
A little more meat on your bones.
No. I haven't had any. Have you guys had any over here?
Not. He's got a bunch of small ones. He wants to try and cast them.
Gotcha.
We can do it. Good practice. He needs practice with the cast net.
Okay. There we go. Yep. Sheesh. Finally.
He's this fast, so hard. Top water, off the top water.
Yeah, we got him on the whopper plopper this time.
Got him on the whopper popper.
Yes.
Dad, do you have the cast net?
Nothing fancy. It's a cookie cutter one, just like what he was getting.
Everything's
That's
right at
crazy.
11 inches, huh?
Man, it sure seems that way. I don't think he'll go 12. Do you?
They're all that same inches.
Probably right
Hey,
about
Will,
11
there's
and a half.
some
Way
That's
up
what I
over
was
here.
thinking.
I got a
Will,
scale on my
There's
bag.
minnows
You
that
can test
wash
my
my bait
scale.
and want to eat it, but it's too small to eat it.
Let's
Oh, yeah.
test great granddad's scale. See
There you
how
go.
It works.
Might as well
Right?
put her to use there. You got it. There you go.
About half a pound.
Yeah, yep. That sounds about right.
Oh, nice.
What?
No wonder those crazy colors work for fishing. Sometimes they do exist in real life. Well, hopefully this little location change is good for us.
Oh, last one we had good success, huh?
Yeah, I think we just kind of fished it out.
Just a little too short.
Yeah.
That's what I mean.
Now we've got room to roam. We can just take off and go all the way to that big waterfall.
I mean, like the ones we caught were just
Oh yeah,
too short.
yeah, that's right. That Helgermite probably would be a good one, or even that jig. It was actually, if I remember right, it was a bright colored jig I tossed in there. And I would be shocked if someone don't catch one there.
Yeah.
And same thing in this pool right here. As soon as you can get a cast in there, like stand back as far as you can, I feel like that's a good spot in there too.
There might be a good spot right there when he's casting.
Did you get him? Oh. All right. So the boys told me to use a big bait. Hey, Luke's got him one. Or I'm sorry, Will's got him. Dude, nice smallie. Nice. That's exactly what should happen. That's exactly what we're looking for. Well, shoot, I didn't even get my line in the water yet. There you go. Let's see what he's got. Big old smallie. There you go.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one.
That's a keeper.
That thing was jumping up in the air. I saw it from way over there flying through the water, or through the air. That's awesome. Look at that. We got him.
Oh man, what a fish.
Yep.
Hanging out just
Not bad at all.
God.
Man, you got him on that big swim bait.
Yeah, I told you.
That's
man.
awesome. Good
Where's
job.
that footage?
Oh yeah, that's a good point.
He's a keeper.
I don't have anything. Do you guys have a stringer?
We don't even have to measure him, I don't think.
Yeah, no, that's a solid 12 at least. Probably maybe 13. I have a tape measure, and well, you do too. Okay. I don't think I brought my board down, but
I used to use it for working. It doesn't work anymore.
Oh yeah, it's just
Oh yeah, not a lot longer, but made it.
yeah, it made it. That's what matters.
nice.
There you go. Good job, buddy.
First smallie.
That's your first smallie?
First smallie.
Oh, well, we gotta get a picture of that. These monumental moments can't slip through the cracks here. Nice. Very good.
Let's go.
Good job. There is one? Hmm. Yeah, I'm wondering if light tackle might be the way to go. Oh no, come on. There we go. Oh, yeah. Yep. That's true. It happened. I love it. I think that was the last one I posted, I'm pretty sure.
You were just watching it when we texted you.
Oh. Yeah, I think I just posted that yesterday morning. Oh, hello. There's a spider.
Jumping up and down. Favorite
Favorite YouTuber.
Man, you
Not
guys,
many people get to go do something with their favorite YouTuber.
well, you guys are too nice. Because as you see, I'm just out here trying to make it happen. I don't know much. I just experiment around and
You don't know a lot, dude.
you all right?
Yep.
All right.
You got me, bud. Not too bad.
Oh man. Thank goodness for somewhat.
Could have been a lot worse.
Yeah.
Good Lord.
Oof. I see you under there. Right under the tree, right there. I probably just spooked the daylights out of it. That was dumb. Oh, man, I did that right this light and probably scared it. I got too excited. Landed right on top of it. It went right back, way back into the rocks.
Wow, that's cool.
Problem with it is, I feel like it's so loud and obnoxious it scares the fish.
I might be tangled up in someone's line.
Hang on, hang on. There you go. You're good. What if I caught a fish under there?
What?
I think, did that make it all the way out of the rock? That'd be funny. I'm not going to do that again.
Tons of rock.
Got a bite about a fish the same size as this.
Let's just try to eat the rock. Why not? It's a smallmouth. Man, guys, I wasn't recording because I haven't caught anything forever. As soon as I start fishing, like third cast with a whopper plopper. Oh, that's hilarious. Third cast with a whopper plopper. Man, look at that. There we go. Back to your little home, buddy. Oh, yes. Wow. Cheap little Ozark trail. It was too small. They're wanting to keep the fish, and that guy was just a hair too small. Maybe we can catch a bigger one. Man, that was awesome. Thank you, Lord. Bet that's the fish that I saw earlier. When I was standing way down there, I saw a fish jump right here at this tree, right at the roots. And I went for him with my big swim bait in here and just wasn't catching anything. Third cast in here with the Ozark Trail little chopper or whopper plopper or choppo, whatever you want to call this thing. I don't know what the Ozark Trail one is, but the prop bait got it done. All right, I got the fish on signal. Where are they? Now Drew's on the board. There you go. You guys are slaying them. You said it's a creek chub?
Creek chub hole.
Oh, nice. Is that what he got too?
You got two. We both got one. I'm on the board now.
There you go, man.
I'm on the board.
Is that where they are, right in there? Yeah. In that deep hole? Oh, that's awesome. Will found a big carp up there. There's a cool little waterfall up there. I don't think it's too much further up from where Will is, if I remember right. And it's a good deep hole in that the waterfall is it's a small waterfall, but it's just kind of dropping in there. And last time I was here, that's where I caught the most fish. I actually caught a crappie out of there.
Really?
Yeah. Wow. Man, this place is so pretty though.
This is crazy.
I know. I downsized to the whopper plopper, and my third cast I caught a fish. I was like, well, I should have been doing that the whole time.
You downsized.
Man. Oh, dude, no, those are shiners.
Oh, they are?
Yeah, that's a creek chub right there. Oh, wait, no, that's still, hang on, what we got? That's a shiner. Yeah, those are shiners.
Huh.
What's the difference between a shiner and a creek chub?
Okay, I'm not going to be a smart aleck here, but the main easy way to tell the shiner is the shininess of them. And I'm not trying to be a smart aleck. I'll show you a picture of the creek chubs here.
Here.
They're just like creek chubs. You'll just find them in the most random small places. Man, yeah, that's pretty.
That's a pretty deep hole, but
that is cool.
There were a bunch following my thing, and then there was just two.
Man, look at that.
Too big to eat it.
Yeah.
And so he's catching the dumb crawdads, and he's like, that's.
Is that what he's using, real crawdads?
Yeah.
Nice.
We just take the tail meat off.
Okay. Yep. I got way up there and I hear fish on. I was like, I gotta run. All right, I'm gonna work back up to Will. I want to get to that waterfall and see if there's anything schooled up in there. Yep, gotta be careful on these rocks. That's what makes me nervous about creek fishing when I'm by myself. This place in particular, there's something like this upstream, but it's even like bigger. And it's like, if anything goes wrong and you're by yourself, you just hope you can get out. All right, here's the place. Oh! Nice! Yeah, first cast. Yes.
I'm gonna see if I can get one on his photo.
Dude, that's a largemouth.
It's a large. That's
I did not expect that. All right, buddy, quit moving. Well, it was a good effort. Oh, man. Not quite 12, but close. Oh, smallmouth. Oh man, he's gonna die. Buddy, chill out. That's not cool.
How big do they have to be to keep a smallmouth?
Oh, 12 inches as well.
He's not 12.
No. I'm amazed that fish isn't dead. He took a lick right there. Dude, 2 for 2 on the cast with this thing. That is awesome. Oh, you got it. Oh, I saw that. You had one on it. Dude, this is why I wanted to get up here. Wrong way. Buddy, that's not how life works. That's how you die. What? Hey, yo, St. Croix. Yeah, I did. I need a new rod. This is a brand new rod. Brand new, and that handle just broke. I know. And the sad thing is, they're quality rods. Oh, man. Come on. That's annoying. I guess I'll put that in my pocket. Oh, that feels so funny missing that inch of rod now. Over here. I bet with all that foam, this is going to definitely catch a fish. There he goes. Fish on. I knew there was going to be one in that foam. Oh man, that might be 12. That is awesome. Fourteen. Yeah.
Rig him up. If I take this line, take the line, wrap it, go through the gills, and then tie a circle. All those knots I had earlier. Hanging off.
Guess that's one way to look at it.
Oh yeah, he looks big now that I get up close to him.
Not bad at all. You got him? Dude, that's crazy. Oh, my bad. We're killing them over here.
Mike is caught.
There's a lot of rock. That's a rock bass. Oh no, that's a green sunfish.
No, green sunfish.
Dude, nice one.
Just caught a sunfish on a crawdad.
Sunfish on the crawdad. That's pretty awesome. You've been going around finding tons of crawdads, haven't you?
Yeah.
Dude, look at that pretty thing. He just likes the fight. Is that a pumpkin seed? You got a pumpkin seed.
Yep. Pumpkin seed. These are really pretty.
That's a good looking fish.
These are really
Let's
beautiful.
see him. Dude,
The
that thing is
colors.
awesome.
Oh, man.
Rock bass. Oh man, it's a catch though, it counts. Caught a crawdad on a crawdad. Jeez,
Yeah.
that's hilarious. With the jig head. That's great, good catch. Oh hey, fish on.
Oh,
Green sunfish.
It's a sun.
Oh, it's pumpkin seed, isn't it?
Yep.
Oh man. Fish on. That's hilarious. I've said they're expecting a giant. I see your rod bending.
Hey, I'll take it. It's bigger than the.
That's a nice bluegill, actually.
Bigger than the shiner.
That's a nice bluegill.
Yeah.
Got some colors going on. That's awesome. What'd you catch it on?
Just a worm. It's a big Berkeley.
Nice. All right. Oh, doubled up.
Atta boy.
Like father, like son. Another bluegill.
Yeah.
Dude, that's great.
I think we caught a sunfish.
It's a marlin.
I don't know if, that might not be quite big enough to feed.
Yeah, that's a little.
That's smaller than my shiner.
That's a fishy nugget right there. I just decided to quit filming because I'm running out of battery, and I was like, I'll just quit until someone has a fish. I turn it off, hit it, and boom, it blows up in the foam.
That's a foul. Is that a female?
That's what I was just thinking. You probably just killed yourself. Nope, you didn't kill yourself. I thought it went limp. Yeah. Oh, that thing's swimming all goofy. I don't know if it's gonna make it. Oh, got a fish. Pumpkin seed or green sunfish? Looks like a green sunfish, kind of. Fish on, crawdad on. I'm on a rock.
Good one, bud.
Look at all this fish, boy. We got a pumpkin seed right here. This is good fishing right here. We're fishing, yep. Pumpkin seed. Yep. Nice one.
Man, they are hammering those crawdads.
Really nice one right there.
Oh man. What is it this time? A bluegill? Sure looks like it.
I think that's a bluegill, right?
Yep. Looks like it from here.
Yeah, that's where I'm used to catching.
Catching crawdads with a crawdad. No way. Like it's nothing.
Oh yeah.
That is awesome. Let's get a good close look at that guy. Fish on. Rock bass.
It's a rock bass.
All right.
We got a beautiful rock bass here. Like, this is my first rock bass ever.
That's your first rock bass?
Yeah.
Dude.
Yeah, we've never caught rock bass before.
So Will got his first smallie today, right?
And it's first.
And first rock bass. You got a first rock bass.
Look at this. This is like.
That's so cool.
It's so nice. Oh gosh. Almost let this thing go.
Let's get a picture there. All right, dude, good job.
Our first rock bass.
First Rocky. Oh Oh no. No, I wasn't filming. Oh man. Unless I just hit, hopefully I just hit stop or something. I don't know. All right, well, I missed the coolest hook set I've ever seen in my life, and then the fish flying in the air and smacking Luke was kind of funny. Man, fish on.
Fish on, that's a big one. Whoa, yeah.
Oh, it's a waterfall. Oh, sunfish.
Look at that beauty.
Hey, he's a flopper.
That's a fly fish now.
Yeah.
All right.
There we go.
Fish on. That's awesome. That's a nice size one too. Man, thank you, Bennett, for joining me on this trip. I have had such a blast. You guys have no clue how excited I was to get that text to ask me if you could go fishing. And boy, did we do some fishing.
Well, we'll know for next time we come here, we'll start to hit.
Yeah, it did pretty good for us. There's no doubt.
Somewhere.
Oh, wow.
All right, let's do it.
The big truck back to the car.
Swimming too, boy.
You'll be swimming.
Oh man, what a string of fish. There's so many fish.
Oh.
I know, man. It's heavy. It's hurting my hand.
It'd be cool if we could find like an arrowhead or something just randomly in the water.
Yeah.
One of those Indian.
Look at all the crawdads.
They're everywhere.
I've never seen so many crawdads. Alright, we'll get 10, 15 in a trap that
Yeah, he caught like, well, both of them. Who knows how many in that same spot.
just like one after another.
Yep. Oh, dude, that's a big one. Did you see that? Did you get him? Oh, I had a big hit. Hang on, hang on. Come back, buddy. Come back, buddy. Oh, man. Where'd he go? Got him, got him, got him. I did.
Oh my goodness! Yeah! Is it good enough?
Oh, I just happened to hit play. Oh, that was...
Did it hit play?
I did. I got the whole thing. My poor reel sitting there soaking in the water. Oh, that's hilarious. Yeah.
Nice.
Dude, that was awesome. Man, he's not big enough. He's about 10 inches. Dude, I give you props for being alive still. I thought I smashed him. That was good. Thank you.
What a day. Thank the
This
Lord.
is the day. Thank
We,
the Lord for
got
this fishing. Got all we got sunbass, we got largemouth, we got smallmouth, we got rock bass, and we got
Green sunfish,
bluegill, and some perch.
Pumpkin seed
We got just about everything.
and
Yeah.
crawdads
Crawdads.
and lobsters because they were way bigger than crawdads.
Yeah, this is just a fantastic day being out in God's creation and just enjoying time together. And thank you, Micah, for inviting us out. This is just fantastic.
Well, it's my pleasure. You guys mentioned your favorite fishing trip. then it's on my channel. I got a new one, and it's got to be this one, because it's really not often I get company like this to join me on something I love. So thank you guys, I appreciate it. God bless. As always, remember, Jesus loves you. We'll see you next time.